Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of broccolini. Get ready to uncover the fantastic health benefits that this vegetable brings to the table. From boosting bone health to supporting your immune system, broccolini is a versatile superstar that can elevate your well-being. Join us as we journey through the incredible spectrum of nutrients, antioxidants, and potential health wonders that make broccolini a must-have on your plate. Whether you're already a fan of its tender stems or curious to explore its benefits, let's dive into the exciting realm of broccolini's health potential together. First and foremost, broccolini is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, K, A, and folate, which are essential for overall health and well-being. What's more, it contains antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene that help combat oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and supporting a strong immune system. Let's explore how broccolini can potentially support bone health. Broccolini is an excellent source of vitamin K, a crucial nutrient for bone health. Vitamin K plays a key role in the synthesis of osteocalcin, a protein necessary for bone mineralization. While broccolini isn't as high in calcium as dairy products, its calcium content is still notable. Coupled with its vitamin K content, broccolini contributes to overall bone strength and density. The combination of vitamin K and calcium in broccolini supports the mineralization process, where calcium and other minerals are deposited into the bones, making them stronger and less prone to fractures. Broccolini is a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber supports regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. The fiber in broccolini acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. A balanced gut microbiome is crucial for optimal digestion and overall health. Broccolini contains enzymes that can aid in the digestion of complex carbohydrates, promoting efficient nutrient absorption and reducing digestive discomfort. The combination of fiber and water content in broccolini can help prevent bloating by promoting a feeling of fullness and preventing constipation-related discomfort. By supporting the gut microbiome, broccolini indirectly contributes to overall gut health, which can have a positive impact on digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. Let's not forget about our heart health. The combination of fiber, antioxidants, and potassium in broccolini can contribute to cardiovascular health by helping to manage blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Moreover, broccolini is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin A, beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining good vision and overall eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin, present in broccolini, are powerful antioxidants that accumulate in the retina's macula. They help protect the eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Regular consumption of lutein and zeaxanthin-rich foods like broccolini has been associated with a lower risk of AMD, a leading cause of vision loss among older adults. Vitamin A, found in broccolini, is essential for maintaining good night vision. It plays a crucial role in the functioning of rhodopsin, a protein in the retina that helps us see in low-light conditions. Omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in broccolini can potentially provide relief from dry eye symptoms by reducing inflammation and improving tear film stability. Additionally, sulforaphane in broccolini supports the body's detoxification processes, aiding in the elimination of harmful substances. Detoxification largely occurs in the liver. Broccolini's compounds can promote liver health by aiding in the breakdown and elimination of toxins. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. What's more, broccolini's antioxidants and phytonutrients contribute to reducing inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic inflammatory conditions. Lastly, one of the standout compounds in broccolini is sulforaphane. This compound has been extensively studied for its potential to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and support the body's defense against cancer. Broccolini's rich antioxidant content, including vitamin C and E, helps neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to the development of cancer. Sulforaphane's protective effects extend to DNA. It can potentially enhance the body's ability to repair DNA damage, reducing the risk of mutations that can lead to cancer. Chronic inflammation is linked to cancer development. The anti-inflammatory properties of broccolini's antioxidants and sulforaphane contribute to a healthier cellular environment. And there you have it, health enthusiasts, a captivating journey through the exceptional health benefits of broccolini. Here's to your health and a future filled with vitality. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.